What's up, fellow bassheads, car audio fanatics, all you audio subwoofer, just custom car junkies? If this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up at any time if you enjoy the video, and I'm going to give you an update on the $500 or less budget build. So if you guys didn't notice, this is a totally different deck. This is from a 2008 XB, and it is a direct swap, and the best thing about it is it has 3 sets of RCA pre-outputs, a front, a rear, and a subwoofer, and it also has the iPod adapter. It was direct plug and play, guys. If you check my other video, I'll provide a link in the description. You can see how to uninstall the deck, and it's basically just do the opposite to reinstall it. It's that simple. It is so simple, guys. I can't even tell you how easy this system was to install so far. Also, guys, another update is I built myself a false floor. That is the eBay enclosure that I bought. The enclosure cost $75. That's one of the Scar IX that I had. The enclosure is tuned to 35 hertz, I believe. The only thing that I'm thinking is there's not a whole lot of port area. There is, but it could use a little more. I'm gonna end up building an enclosure and comparing the difference between the enclosure that I build and the enclosure like this that you can buy off of eBay. We're gonna do some bandwidth testing and SPL testing and stuff like that. Remember, guys, I'm gonna be running the factory speakers and all the doors in the back, and also the factory battery and the factory alternator. So like I said, if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up, because it really helps the channel. We're going to get some subwoofers wired up, playing, bumping, and we're going to do some SPL metering, some bandwidth testing. We're going to do all that stuff. All right. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Peace out.